Hello friends, and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to make our Raspberry Pi 4 as our hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, or as our Wi-Fi access point. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. We are going to configure our Raspberry Pi 4 inbuilt Wi-Fi as our Wi-Fi hotspot. It means you can connect your network devices using your Raspberry Pi 4 as your Wi-Fi router. Okay, so let's start. For that, first thing friends, we need to connect our Raspberry Pi 4 to your router using Ethernet cable, because we are going to use the Raspberry Pi 4 Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi, as a hotspot. So we are not going to connect our Wi-Fi with our router. Okay, so we need to connect our Raspberry Pi 4 to our router, our local router, using Ethernet cable. Okay, so now let's start. Just open your terminal, and here we are going to configure first a directory. So sudo mkdir is a command for creating a directory. Mkdir tdal, this is the sign. Okay, this is what the sign. Then slash, then we need to create a directory. So just mention any name for creating a directory. I am going to give the name here Freedom Tech, which I have already created. I have already created the directory. Okay, so the command is this. Okay, I will mention all the steps inside my description box also. Okay, so you need to just copy and paste inside your terminal. Okay, now we are going to go inside the directory. So cd tdal, then slash, and the Freedom Tech is our directory. Just hit enter. If I run the ls command, as you can see, I have already downloaded the script, the bash script. Okay, now we are inside our directory. Here we want to just copy the link for downloading the script from the website. Okay, so just copy the link. I will mention the link also. Copy it, and we are going to run the command sudo wget and paste that link inside your terminal. Just hit enter. It will download the script. Okay, so I'm going to clear your screen. ls command, and as you can see, this is what the script which I have already downloaded. So you have to just copy paste the link with the wget command. Then you need to run full permission for on the script. Okay, so we are going to run here command sudo chmod 775, and just mention the script name, install underscore hotspot.sh. This is what our script name, and now we give the full permission for our script. Okay, now we are ready to run the script. So simply we are going to run the script. Sudo space dot slash, this is what we basically run our bash script. Sudo space dot slash, and our script name install underscore hotspot.sh. Then just hit enter. Okay, here this script will be configure your Raspberry Pi as a wireless access point, as I told you. Okay, now just hit enter. Now it will install the packages. Okay, I have already installed the packages. It will install. You don't want to, here you don't want to do anything. Okay, it will automatically install all the packages. So friends, as you can see here, it asks us to enter the name for our Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so just enter name. I am going to mention here Freedom Tech. Okay, then again just hit enter, and now we want to give the password for our hotspot. Okay, so simply enter the password, and it says here you have to enter minimum 8 character. Okay, so enter the 8 character password. Okay, now we have done. We have our host name Freedom Tech, and the password is also Freedom Tech. Okay, now just hit enter, and it will now reboot the Raspberry Pi 4, and then you will see that your Raspberry Pi 4 hotspot is configured. So friends, we have configured our Raspberry Pi 4 as our Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, now if I open just setting, okay, and here it is, as you can see in Wi-Fi available networks, and as you can see friends, here it is, the Freedom Tech is showing. It means we have successfully configured our Raspberry Pi 4 as our Wi-Fi hotspot. So simply I am going to connect and password, connect it. Okay, obtaining the IP address, as you can see, it's successfully connected with our Raspberry Pi 4 hotspot. Okay, now if I go here and if I just type the my IP, and you can see we can successfully accessing our network using or internet using our Raspberry Pi 4 as our Wi-Fi hotspot securely. So this is the way you can configure your Raspberry Pi 4 as a Wi-Fi hotspot. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.